Mhm. Hi, so this is continuation of question 5.3. Let's discuss how we solve from here. The first step is try to factorize the denominator. You can do this with your calculator. If you have a Casio or TI calculator, they do automatic factorization. If the values are too large, do it manually, or you can do it in Matlab. So let's try doing it in Matlab. So there are two ways, I think, to factorize in MATLAB. First is, oh, MATLAB, sorry. All right, let's open a new live script. Let's put it here. There are two ways to factorize in MATLAB. First is, of which is, let's create a system of variables uh, for symbols. So I'll call our symbols S, and remember our function F factor, factor, S squared. We can, if we want to see the function at the same time. Uh, so we have S squared. We want to factorize this. S to the power of 2 plus 730 over 3 times S plus 50,000, 1, 2, 3 over 3. Yeah, and then run. So MATLAB is unable to factorize it. Let's check another method in factorization. Let's try this. A equals 1. So we write the coefficient of the three terms. B equal 730 over 3. C equals 500 or 50,000 over 3. Create a vector representation. Let's create a vector representation of A, B, and C. Let's call it vector, VEC, equals A, B, C. And if you want to find the roots, there's a MATLAB function, R equals roots P. I'll hate this. All right, display the roots, BISP, R, run, unrecognized variable P. I don't know why I called it P. All right, so those are my roots. They are both complex, so we can't transform this directly using Laplace. So the easiest way is to check for the Laplace transformation table and see if there is any other function that looks similar to this. So when we check, we can find that the E negative alpha t sine omega t, like those two, their Laplace transformation is similar to our output here. So let's take a picture, paste it. Uh, so we want our function here to be in this format. I mean, we can do it, or as well, we can use MATLAB or iLaplace function. If you have this, to automatically transfer, get the Laplace transformation. So let's try just using iLaplace for now. B, so this should be our B of t. If all our values correct, this should be correct. But let's say we want to do it manually. So the first step is to notice it's probably more similar to this template here, or we can check in Matlab. It is similar, yeah. So it's e to the power of negative alpha t times sine omega t over some value. So yeah, so you can manually transfer it. We can discuss this later if anybody's interested. That's it.